The device includes spare fuses for internal fuse replacement in case of malfunction. Use a screwdriver to open the fuse holder and replace the damaged fuse with a spare. Remove the pre-installed screws on both sides of the instrument. Install the handle brackets on both sides. Install the support pillar on the instrument. Installing the screen. Install the 3D body 30K handle cable. And tighten it with screws. Install the filters. Each connection pin has a sealing rubber ring. Replace any damaged ones with spares. Remove the filter cap, check the 2 large rubber rings on the bottleneck, and replace them with spares if needed. Install the RF and suction handle cable. When the black rubber ring of RF and suction is damaged, it can be replaced with a spare one. Replace the cotton filter on the suction hole of RF and suction handle. Remove the plug and original filter from the suction hole, insert a new filter, and reinsert the plug securely. Installing the 3D body RF handle cable. Install EMS and heat handle cable. Install the Lipo laser handle cable. Place all installed handles into the handle holders in turn. Connect the power cord and activate the power button. Press the button on the front of the instrument to turn it on. Choose Auto. You can operate in the order of the handle arrangement, or click the handle icon to switch. The time and energy can be adjusted according to your personal situation. When the operation is completed, a congratulations interface will be displayed. Choose Manual. Default 3D body RF function. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Energy level, 3. Press the Start/Pause button to initiate the process. Press the Start/Pause button to stop the operation. Choose 3D body 30K on the screen. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Energy level, 3. Mode, M1. Press the Start/Pause button to initiate the process. Press the Start/Pause button to stop the operation. Choose RF and suction on the screen. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. RF energy level, 3. Suction duration, 0.5. Release time, 0.2. Set the suction intensity according to the individual endurance. Note, adjust the suction and release duration individually or choose the preset mode. Press the Start/Pause button to initiate the process. Press the Start/Pause button to stop the operation. Choose EMS and heat on the screen. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. EMS energy level, 3. EMS mode, M1. Heat mode low. Press the Start/Pause button to initiate the process. Press the Start/Pause button to stop the operation. Choose Lipo laser on the screen. Settings. Energy level, 3. Time, 15 minutes. Mode, M1. Press the Start/Pause button to initiate the process. Press the Start/Pause button to stop the operation. Click the switch button on the front of the instrument to shut down, turn off the power button, and unplug the power cord.